In this session, we will see about the contribution of women in mathematics. Ada Lovelace. Ada was an English mathematician and is considered to be the first computer programmer. Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lamp, made great contributions to maths as well as hygiene. Maryam Mirzaghani. What Maryam did. Iranian-born Maryam Mirghani was one of the greatest mathematicians of the generation, making exceptional contributions to the study of the dynamics and geometry of mathematical objects called Riemann surfaces. Katherine Johnson. Falling in love with Max from a young age, Katherine studied the subject alongside French at university, graduating at the age of just 18. She joined NASA in 1953, and her contributions in optical mechanics were crucial to the success of the USA's aeronautics and space programs. In 2015, she was presented with the Presidential Medal of Freedom by Barack Obama for her important work as a mathematician, physicist, and space scientist as a woman of color. Dame Mary Lucy Cartwright. Mary Cartwright was a British mathematician and a woman of many firsts. She was not only the first woman to obtain a first in her university degree, but also one of the first mathematicians to study what is now known as chaos theory. She was the first woman to receive the Sylvester Medal awarded for the encouragement of mathematical research, the first woman to be president of the Mathematical Association, and the first woman to be president of the London Mathematical Society. Sofia Kovalevskaya. Russian mathematician Sofia Kovalevskaya made monumental contributions to analysis, partial differential equations, and mechanics. She was a pioneer and icon for females in mathematics and STEM subject everywhere. The first woman to obtain a doctorate in mathematics, she went on to gain global recognition in the mathematical community due to her paper on partial differential. The first woman to obtain a doctorate in mathematics, a prize given to the best solution of a specific mathematical problem. Marjorie Lee Browne, gifted African American mathematician and educator. Marjorie Lee Browne was the first black woman to gain a doctorate in maths. She joined the faculty at North Carolina Central University shortly after obtaining her PhD, where she taught for over 30 years. She was named chair of the mathematics department there in 1951, which allowed her to guide the way for some of the earliest computer use in her field. Shakuntala Devi was an Indian mathematician, writer, and mental calculator, popularly known as the human computer. She strove to simplify numerical calculations for students. Her talent earned her a place in the 1982 edition of the Guinness Book World Records. T.A. Saraswati Amma. T.A. Saraswati Amma was a scholar born in Palakkad district, Kerala, India. She has contributed to the fields of history of mathematics and Sanskrit through her work on geometry of ancient and medieval India.